Dear viewers, these days all educational institutions have transformed on online education. While taking your class, it is necessary to maintain the continuity. I mean, if you are taking your class and all of a sudden electricity fails, which is normal in the countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and several other countries. These days, we have a peak of summer. We face load shedding quite often. Scheduled load shedding may be acceptable to plan our classes accordingly, but what about unscheduled load shedding? Suppose you are taking your class with 30 students sitting online at different locations. There are two scenarios. One is that at any student's end, load shedding takes place during the class. Then naturally the student will be disconnected. I will present the solution to this problem at the end. There is yet another scenario where the electricity fails at the teacher's end. This will disconnect your Wi-Fi, which you normally use, which means you will be disconnected with all your students. Maybe when the electricity failed, you were in the mid of taking your quiz, or maybe demonstrating something very important. Your disconnection as a teacher with the rest of your class will completely affect the tempo of your class. By the time you reconnect your system by other means, your students might have switched off their computers or start doing something else. Hence, it is extremely necessary for you, being a teacher, to maintain the continuity of your class, even the electricity fails in between the class. How can you do that? The solution is very simple. Do the following steps before starting your class. Step 1. Use your laptop with its battery fully charged. If you are using desktop, then it should be connected with UPS with at least 2 hours backup. Step number 2. Charge your mobile battery to 100%. Step number 3. Get the 3G, 4G services. If 5G services are available, then get it, but 3G, 4G are enough. Step number 4. Go to the settings, like I show in the video, and make your cell phone a Wi-Fi device. You have to make a hotspot. Step number 5. Keep this cell phone nearby your computer and detect it through your computer's network adapter. Step number 6. Select your cell phone in the list, which is now your Wi-Fi hotspot. Step number 7. Now start beginning your class, which will remain uninterrupted as long as batteries of your computer and cell phone are charged. Now, on the student end, if electricity fails, there are two ways. The first preferred method is, of course, the same as the one mentioned for the teacher. If the student can't afford this all, then teacher must record his class every time. Save the video in cloud. Share the link with the students. By doing this, those students who would have missed their classes will at least not miss the class contents and will be at par with his class fellows. The continuity is also very important while you are conducting a webinar which is attended by larger participants. I hope this would help you in conducting your class. Have a nice day.